In the event that not the overall population, crypto lovers had known for a couple of years that Doge partakes in a critical bull run versus BTC on the off chance that it falls into a specific interest zone. In 4.5 years, Doge effectively had 7 goes against BTC, and this, by 2019-2020, crashed numerous financial backers' trust in Doge's significant appreciation. Like vultures to a remains, this subsequent run attracted financial backers to Doge and other meme coins. Actually, Doge is supposed to keep up with its bullish construction for the following 3-4 years, taking into account its past, assuming Doge endeavors to rehash the value examples of 2021 before very long, 2023 till 2025. We expect a comparative pattern in 2023, 2024, and 2025 in the event that the example is kept up with to such an extent that Doge exchanges as high as $2 or close. We expect a comparative pattern in 2023, 2024, and 2025 assuming that the example is kept up with to such an extent that Doge exchanges as high as $2 or close. Generally, Dogecoin mining ease has consistently kept the altcoin on the front seat. In addition, this year the most well-known crypto trades like Gemini and eToro have recorded Doge, making the cost take off. Then again, the way that the advanced cash needs extraordinary worth adversely influences Dogecoin. Notwithstanding, it recuperated rapidly and finished the year at $0. For the greater part of 2019, Dogecoin exchanged sideways. By December 2019, it was exchanging at $0. The cost of Dogecoin began the year at $0. It then improved consistently and arrived at a high of $0 February. Bitcoin's cost rally prompted an expansion in Doge's worth. The famous image coin performed well during this period, as it acquired broad consideration after it nearly multiplied in cost in only one day. Following different occasions, including Elon Musk's help, the cost of Doge expanded by 15,000% on May 8. The adverse consequences of the SNL occasion on the Dogecoin cost were additionally exacerbated by the market decline that happened on May 19. This brought about the cost of Dogecoin tumbling to around 16 cents. In that capacity, there is plausible experts misunderstand their forecasts. Dogecoin specialized investigation. When you concentrate on Doge's line outline underneath, doesn't it appear to be a piece unusual for a position number 10 CoinMarketCap coin? You're seeing the impact when an individual has a lot of effect on a digital money coin market development. Could you at any point envision the energy at which Doge rose and fell without taking any breathing space? I'm certain expected long-haul holders could most likely be lamenting they didn't join the paper hands bunch. I'm not articulating Doge's downfall. Nobody is saying Doge is passing on. I just expressed the market's undeniable pattern. Sit down and unwind as we plunge into examining Doge's pattern involving specialized instruments to anticipate its future development for the next few years. Regardless of arriving at new levels in 2021, Dogecoin is certainly not a new digital money. It was made in 2013 as a joke money by 2 computer programmers, Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer. While the Dogecoin subreddit it shaped on December 8, Billy and Jackson made the Dogecoin BitcoinTalk.org profile on December 6. CoinMarketCap's cost tracker recorded Dogecoin's most memorable authority cost on December 15, 2013. CoinMarketCap revealed a $0 in close cost. Doge's cost had still not ascended by December 15, 2014, shutting at $0. It was only after April 2017 that Dogecoin saw a fairly significant cost climb, hitting $0 the month's end and 2 cents during the January 2018 cryptographic money bubble. It would, notwithstanding, return to a cost of $0 the finish of 2018, preceding its uncommon ascent during 2021. In this video, we will begin breaking down Doge's cost development from 2021. As plainly displayed in the above diagram, Doge never had any critical ascent or fall in its cost until January 2021. From 2019 till 2020, the exchanging volume was basically as low as water in a desert's heart. Q2 2021 Doge's little action period moved forward on January 2021 when it encountered a cost flood from 1 cent to 3 cents. That was whenever in Doge's set of experiences first such interest strength worked out. This enlivening of Doge happened days after the GameStop free-for-all on Reddit saw GameStop's portions to take off by almost 2,000% starting from the start of 2021. Hours after the tweet, a large number of individuals joined the subreddit Satoshi Road Wagers and expounded on taking Doge to the moon, which urged clients not to sell the Dogecoin till its worth arrived at $1. Such action in the digital money space isn't new. In 2018, the U.S. Product Fates Exchanging Commission had sounded the caution about something very similar. This advancement resembled an enlivening call to individuals who had dozed on Doge. Requests started to pull in. The Doge holders accepted they could drive the cost further, which they did. After Doge shaped his first Harami's light, It drove further up to make its ATH exchanging around 8 cents prior to encountering areas of strength for a dismissal and backtracked profoundly to the 78% lie zone. Doge really required this retracement to adjust cost activity. The retracement came to top off to half lopsidedness in cost activity beneath. In the wake of accomplishing the equilibrium, Doge presently had motivation to switch into the potential gain, which it did. Expecting Doge neglected to do that and went to short right down to 1 cent that it began from on Jan 28. It would have been a catastrophe for individuals' projection that Doge has at last awakened. This negative dismissal plunged right down to 61.8 and 71.4 lie levels. Since cost tracked down help at the 5th of February request zone, the cost has been running, returning and forward from 4 cents to 6 cents for 45 days. It was without a doubt an extended rest. This extended rest endured till April 1st, when there was a break in structure on the everyday time period with a 4H Maribozo light. This boss re-established the market construction to its bullish state yet couldn't shoot higher than that until it came to track down a more grounded request as the purchase starting D zone on the second 7-day stretch of April.